What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video where today we are going to have a look into Tribit MaxBoom portable wireless Bluetooth speaker, which come with all fantastic bells and whistle features like waterproof, extra bass, speakerphone, long battery life, as well as superior sound quality. And we will be testing each and every feature of this Bluetooth speaker mentioned right in here. Now to start with, if you're new here on my channel, you are most welcome. Here on my channel, I tend to review any product I get my hands onto and show each and everything about the product I am reviewing, starting with looking into the specification, what comes with the product, demonstration. By the end of the video, without my own conclusion, you will have an idea that the product which we are reviewing is for you or not. If that is something you are looking for, why not click onto the subscribe button right down below. Now all the specifications are available on the back of the packaging, starting with the Bluetooth, which is version 4.2 with a profile of A2DP and much more. Come with the 2 line driver and 2 passive radiator, and each line driver is about 45 mm, not bad at all, each with the 12 watt of output, so altogether is a 24 watt output speaker. In terms of battery, come with a 7.4 volt battery with 2600 milliampere hour, which will last you up to 20 hours, and it will take about 4 hours to charge it at a standard 5 volt and 2 ampere charger. Now let's have a quick look what comes with this MaxBoom portable speaker. To start with, package include one user manual explaining each and everything you wanted to know about this Bluetooth speaker, couple of leaflets from the manufacturer, one 1 meter long micro USB charging cable. Now in last but not least, we have Tribit MaxBoom Bluetooth speaker, which come in 3 different colors. Link for that is available in the video description. Now to start with, if I look into the build quality, it all looks premium, to be honest with you, and very rigid as well. There in the front of the speaker we have a volume control, play and pause button, as well as the Tribit logo, and passive radiators on both sides. Also come with the pre-built rubber hanging strip, so you don't need to install anything extra on it. Where on the back of the Bluetooth speaker we have a button to power on and off, and status indicator light in the middle for the battery, Bluetooth connectivity mode button, as well as the extra bass button as well. Down below in here you also have a compartment for 3.5 mm auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and cable for that is not included within the package, so you have to buy it separately. You also have a charging port available here. Once you charge your speaker fully, you have to make sure you cover it up very nicely. The reason of covering up is nicely is basically the speaker is waterproof, so once this area is fully covered, you make sure that you can use it while in water or in a swimming pool. Now both 45 mm 12 watt line drivers are available on the both sides of the speaker to give you a fantastic bass out of it, and the fabric around the Bluetooth speaker give it a premium look, and the quality which comes out of it too. Now pairing this Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone is a straightforward job. By press on the power on button, you're going to see the status indicator light and a straightforward notification on your mobile phone. By pressing on it and click onto the pair button, you will automatically pair it. You don't need to do anything at all. This thing is pretty straightforward. Now we are completely paired straight away with our Bluetooth speaker. Now let me go ahead and play some royalty-free music to show you the performance of this Bluetooth speaker. The reason I'm playing the royalty-free music that I do not want it to get a strike from YouTube for the music I'm playing. Well, it is very hard to tell the quality and judge it by listening a royalty-free music full of bass. I can understand that part, but mark my words, guys, this is not a bad Bluetooth speaker for the price you are paying for that. And the feature it offers as well as the battery life, I quite liked it actually. It's been on my test for quite some time. Now this is just a short video I made for it, just to prove you, just to show you what sort of quality you are expecting from it. But if you still have any more reservation about this Tribit MaxBoom Bluetooth speaker, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help you with that. Now on that note, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you still have any more questions and reservation about this MaxBoom by Tribit, please let me know in the comment section down below. I would be happy to help. Thank you and bye for now.